COCOMI convener YK Dhiren has called for a collective effort to identify those trying to defame the CSO's conglomerate and derail the public movement. Addressing a press meet at their Lamphel office, Dhiren emphasized that the primary objective of today's rally was to democratically submit a memorandum to the Chief Minister. He said that the memorandum seeks a decisive stance from the government on the ongoing unrest and raises 7 questions from the conglomerate. Dhiren further claimed that government authorities selected 3 COCOMI representatives from the crowd at the Kangla Western Gate and allowed them to submit the memorandum to the Chief Minister. He noted that some COCOMI volunteers told the public that the movement would continue until the government gave a clear stance, even before the representatives emerged from the Chief Minister's bungalow. He also decried the spread of false information, claiming that COCOMI volunteers had gone missing, which led to the assault of one of its members. Calling the allegations unfortunate, he reaffirmed that there is no change in COCOMI's stance and urged the public to remain cautious of attempts to defame the organization and suppress the public movement.
Ekoigi pandamsi government ekoigi wahang se yohon baiba porasi ekoi yohon na bona bada miyam go loina na ekoi kanglam mang da pula kanda ekoigi maikai de gi mihut ahum ka khankala kanda ekoi chief minister gi dakta ekoigi wahang se pisalu na ekoi pisan ba chaki pisal mo matung da wahang si gi pakum athuba da manipur government na manipur lengak na pirak tri phawgudi manipur lengak na miyam da masak thokpa chap chaba adung loba pirep ama miyam da kanandri phawba COCOMI da changeli ba kongna se hanloi haina ekoi wafam si thamakanda ekoi miyam si kaina jakibani bazar manung da tongan ba kangut khara dagi ekoi COCOMI gi mising mangre COCOMI pesa sagre tongan ba propaganda torokanda ekoi COCOMI gi angang amasu adum laba pharakanda mi kharana purakpa nasingba tore masi yamna laibak thibani masi strongly condemn towe aduga masi aikoi gi maikai dagi yamna clear to roiba wafam singasi adumak aikoi na bazar maigomda kangla mamangda aikoi na thammi wafam si sida ahong ba matalaite aikoi hana dagi laiba ware phirep sing da COCOMI gi maikai dagi iho komthokpa government ga unaba haibana singba wafam amatalai tabna markanda ngasi si government ga una jare ga su aikoi COCOMI gi maikai dagi di unagi roi haiba stand si aikoi lebang miam da hana dagi su thamaga lai aduna miyam na sigumba adum lo emotion amasung sentiment sagala kanda COCOMI bu lana miyam da uhalla kanda propaganda miyam santo kanda leba ki iho se supporters tawna bhonna ba namthana ba honna ba gi thabaksi masi miyam na makoi singa si kanano karamba mino kadi dagi tholai bna hai basi koi kumna COCOMI na su yengjinjari leba miyam na su yengbiu adu emotion amasung sentiment da COCOMI bu lana santo na ba honna ba se masi gi mayop ta leba miyam punai lengmina se ai wa pham che thamje